In this video, I will show you how to delete your Remitly account. Let's start by opening your Remitly app. Log into your Remitly app here. Find and click My Remitly. Click Profile Information here. Scroll down until you see Close My Profile. Just click Close My Profile here. Before you decide to close your account, you may want to create a backup of your transaction history before closing your account. I also have a video on how to download the record of your transaction history. So there, read the details first, then click the checkbox here to confirm you understand, and then select Close My Profile to finish up. If you cannot close your account, this is because you might still have an active transfer, or you are using Remitly.com, or your Remitly app needs to be updated. After your account has been closed, you will receive a confirmation email telling you that your account has indeed been closed and is no longer accessible. And that's how you delete your Remitly account. If you'd like to know how to reactivate your previously deleted account, click this video here. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.